Machi, come be in the video. Are you tired of seeing the same jewelry everywhere you go? Your typical Van Cleef and Cartier? Well, you're not alone. Me too. I have stopped wearing the majority of my jewelry just because it is so recognizable and it doesn't make me feel very special. So this year I have set on a quest to find more unique jewelry brands that still care a lot about quality, materials, and have the most beautiful, unique designs. And we'll be doing a special unboxing and review of the brand Idyl. Make sure to stay till the end of the video to see if I recommend this brand or not and my honest opinions and thoughts. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Tania and I love luxury, high quality items, fashion, bags. You know, I talk a lot about Hermes bags in my channel and I review high quality luxury brands. I own a lot of fancy jewelry. My two to-go brands are usually Cartier and Van Cleef, but just as I was saying earlier, the market is oversaturated with these brands. And if you come after me and say, oh my God, Tania, these are still so expensive, I 100% agree with you. These brands are so ridiculously expensive, but their jewelry doesn't make me feel unique anymore and special just because wherever I go, I usually see either Cartier or Van Cleef. So this year I have been telling you guys that I wanted to review more smaller, unique design brands that still don't sacrifice the quality. And I think I have found the perfect. This brand is called Idyl and they make jewelry of solid gold and lab-grown, traceable, sustainable diamonds. I am all about sustainability and definitely traceability. I don't want to support any, child mining or any other bad stories that you hear when it comes to diamonds. So I do believe that this is a sustainable option. Let's do this unboxing together and then let's do the review together. Mochi is joining us. We are live from New England. This is my first New England video. So without further ado, let's see what's inside the package. This brand is quite unique in its mission and versatility of the pieces. Lab-grown diamonds, a more sustainable diamond. I agree with that. Solid gold, we use 100% conflict-free 14 karat solid gold. Agree with that too. I like the little thing that they included in there. Craftsmanship, every piece is handmade and undergoes in-house quality control to ensure diamonds are perfectly cut and set in flawless solid gold. Tania approved. Modular design, a modular collection made to mix and match. That's what I meant, that this brand, you're buying you're getting a lot more for your money because it's so versatile. And I'll get into that once we unbox it. Sustainability, we want to be as clear as our gems, the finest sustainable materials that you can wear forever. And by the way, the package is made out of recycled material. We like that. And fair price, without the crazy markup, straight to your door. Honest prices for excellent sparkle. I agree with that. The prices are very fair. I like that it's ready to join the diamond revolution. I like the packaging. It is pretty, and if it is sustainable, then it's all I care about. I'm excited to finally get into the box. Sparkles, but better. Look at that. It's a little travel pouch. Let's see what's inside. A fierce little thing, and you have an eye for beauty. I like all the positivity quotes in here. Ooh, yeah. So these can be worn by themselves as studs or with a little halo around, like for an evening look. That's what I mean by versatility and multi-use. I chose solid white gold. I'm going to try one with the halo and one without the halo. We had to change locations because the sun was just getting a little out of control. So I wanted to show you the large stud in my ear by itself. I did review the craftsmanship and I think the craftsmanship is really nice. It looks very dainty and I love the design of the stud, but the gold goes all around. I think it's so unique. And this is the stud with the diamonds around. I absolutely love how it looks. It's like definitely an evening look, understated but very elegant. I love it. I absolutely love getting versatility out of my jewelry. If I can get two looks with the same stud, I'm all for it. And I know they have like other cute designs, but I really like these two designs. That's why I got them. Which side is your favorite? Let me know. But we're not done yet. I also chose this gorgeous necklace set in white gold. Since I went to Korea and did my color analysis, you guys know that I prefer rose gold jewelry. I don't really wear yellow gold, but my color analysis in Korea said that the white gold is the best for me. It has two different settings. We will wear it on the longer setting. And there we have it. The clasp is a little bit more comfortable than the Van Cleef clasp, because the Van Cleef clasp, I cannot do it by myself with nails. So what do you guys think of my new set? Again, I wanted something simple, timeless, but a little bit unique design that is still good craftsmanship. I absolutely love that the diamond is set kind of like with all around solid gold. The setting is very different to having prongs, because the prongs usually I feel like make the diamond a little bit less round. If it's 4 prongs, it almost looks like a square diamond, or a little bit like a square diamond. Of course, there's different settings that you can choose. There's a 6-prong setting, which, you know, is different, but it's a little bit bulky. But I think I like that it's a little bit more modern. I'm obsessed. This is probably what I'll wear in New England, but if I'm going out for dinner, I'll wear this. How cute is it? And in white gold, I feel like it definitely looks more high-end. So I definitely recommend. I did my research on the brand before, and I really like the sustainability part, and that it's unique part, and that you can kind of mix and match, and you can get different settings. So for me, these are definitely pros. What do you guys think? Did you like the designs of the brand? What do you think? Do you want more videos like this where I review different jewelry brands that are not Van Cleef and Cartier, that is looking for more niche brands, not so well recognized, more unique brands? Please comment below for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more luxury high quality content. And every week on my Wednesdays I do Q&As in my stories, so you can ask me any question you want. As always, with love.